Hello and welcome back to another Computer Sluggish tutorial. Before we get started, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button on my main page. And once you have done this, don't forget to click on that bell to be the first to get notified when I upload a new video. In today's video, as requested, I'm going to be showing you how to move your Steam games from one hard drive to another hard drive. As you can see at the minute, all my games are currently installed on my C drive and I am currently running out of space, which is not good. But on my E drive, I have lots of space, which is where I want to move my Steam games to. All you need to do is go onto Steam. And once you're on Steam, you now need to go to the top left hand corner of your screen and click on Steam. You now need to go down to Settings. And you now need to go down to Downloads. And we now need to click on Steam Library Folders. These are all the folders that are on your hard drives for Steam, which is where Steam stores all your games to. As you can see at the minute, I only have a Steam Library folder on my C drive. And it currently has 2 games installed in it. You now need to go down to Add Library Folder, and we now need to click on this drop down box, and you need to select the hard drive you wish to create a Steam library on, which is where you want your games to be installed to. I want them to go onto my E drive, so I'm going to select E, and you now need to choose where you'd like them to be installed to. You could simply just create a folder straight away in your E drive, or you could go down to Program Files, and we can expand that, and we could create the Steam library folder in our Program Files, which is what I'm going to do. You now need to click on New Folder, and you now need to go OK for Steam Library as the name, and we now need to go Select. And as you can see, we now have 2 folder locations for our Steam library. We have our C drive and our E drive. At the moment, we don't have any games installed on our E drive. If we now go close and just press OK, and if you now right click on the game you wish to move to your new hard drive and go to Properties, you now need to go across to Local Files. And you now need to go down to Move Install Folder. You now need to click on this drop down box, and at the minute I only have the one option. And that's because at the moment this game is installed on my C drive, and the only other option for the Steam library is the E drive, which is where I want to move this game to. You now need to go ahead and press Move Folder. This doesn't take too long depending on how fast your hard drives are at reading and writing, and it does also depend on the size of the game. Once you have pressed Move Folder, if we now look to the top here, you can see that 8-Bit Boy, which is the game that I've just moved, is now under Library Folder E, which is great. If I now press Close and close again, that's it. That game is now moved to my E drive. And it really is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped and wasn't too complicated. If it did, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.